Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to my camera, man. I forgot on the other video. Okay, so shout out Tariq. Follow him. We're here in Talila. We did a meet up north. We're in Seattle, Washington. Okay, so most of the meets that we do them down in Puyallup, Tacoma area. We pretty much had to do one up north because we had people hitting us up. We're here. Let's see how it turns out. We might get lucky and hit the casino after, but we gotta see. Okay, stay tuned. Let's check it out.
Infamous niggas rolling on roads with the windows closed. No smoke up.
So what do you think about the turnout?
It's not as big as Puyallup, but it turned out pretty good. I mean, we'll make the rest of the video in the casino. About to fucking eat some Chick-fil-A, hopefully.
And he's buying because he's rich.
He's buying, you heard.
He washed my truck, so he might.
I helped.
You think we can go inside or no?
That's a long fist. I know.
Fuck it.
I'm in a walk zone.
You alright?
I just blew a red light. You're fine. I mean, all three of you are in handicap spots. I mean,
What? He's getting deported.
Vámonos, cuz.
Let's go. Guys, we're in the casino. We got paid today, so we're here to fucking gamble.
Don't listen to him. My boss is cheap. He
Hey,
don't pay me. I don't
Just
pay
to let you know, he sells the EBT, okay? The coupons. That's how he's gambling,
If you try to buy
okay?
some, let me know.
What's up, guys? Sorry we couldn't record out in the casino. They kick us out. I don't know why. Why did they kick us out?
I don't know. It just the policy, I guess.
I don't know. We didn't have the right permits. That's why.
Yeah.
Didn't have the right equipment. I don't know. But I won though.
He's a professional,
Amateur gambler.
and
I'm professional.
yeah, found out firsthand today.
Oh yeah, that is your first
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
with me,
yeah.
yes.
Half Indian, so that's hey, see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow us in our page, Instagram. Again, shout out to everybody that showed up to the meet right here in Delilah. Shout out to my cameraman again. Hit him up if you guys want to get some videos. See you guys on the next one, all right?